Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger lag. To know how to fix or sorry or how to solve lag Messenger, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about Messenger. Then we click on force stop. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear keys, and then you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on, and you will wait a moment. Then you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.